If you're passionate about Android or have questions and insights to share, posting in the Android forum is the perfect way to connect with a community of follow and experts. Whether you need help troubleshooting an issue or want to share tips and tricks or just explore new features, the forum is the best place to engage and learn from others. So how can I post a question in the forum? Visit the website from the link below and then short summary of your issue and then description below and then select the category and then next. Right now you are able to post your issue in the Android forum. Don't hesitate. Join conversation and make your voice heard in the Android forum.